Working the city's digital archive, I restore forgotten files. Most are mundane. But last week, I found Project Echo. Just one audio file, no description. I pressed play, static, then a woman whispering. Not words, a guttural, desperate sound. It felt like it was inside my skull. The whispering grew, intertwining with what sounded like my own ragged breathing. A cold dread seeped in. I tried to pause it, but the player froze. The sound intensified until it filled everything, then stopped abruptly with a sickening crack. My own neck involuntarily jerked. The monitor went black.